material is given in the description box. I upload one video every Friday at 5 pm. Don't miss them. Now let's get started. The first one is for the feathered Diya decoration we need 1 flower bead, some feathers, glue gun, glass. Firstly we will apply the glue and start pasting the feathers as you like. I pasted these like this. And then paste the flower beads. Paste some beads to give the finished look. It's ready. I love it. What do you think? The second one is for the next Diya decoration we need glass, fevicol net, golden tape. Firstly, start pasting the net. And then apply golden tape on both sides. It's ready. It looks so pretty. Did you feel the same? Then comment below. The third one is for straw Diya decoration we need straws, glue gun, glass. Firstly we will cut the straws randomly. Then start pasting it with the glue gun. I like this way. Then cut the extra from the both sides. But looks gorgeous. If you find the same, then comment below. The fourth one is for the stone Diya decoration we need stones, glue gun and glass. Start pasting stones from the bottom. Pasted one stone between two and so on till the top. It looks so stunning, isn't? Do let me in the comments below. The fifth one is for the glitter pasting Diya decoration we need glass, glitter, duct tape, blue craft tape, fevicol. Firstly we will paste the tape in the center. Now start applying the fevicol on the bottom side. After that, apply glitter on it and let it dry for an hour. After that, remove the tape and dust the extra glitter. Then Apply the blue tape. Hooray! It looks so lovely. I fell in love with these. What do you think? This is very beautiful. The sixth one is this. For flower Diya decoration, we need glass, some leaves and artificial flowers. Firstly, we will cut the stems, then we will be pasting it like this. After that, we will paste the flowers. Easy and beautiful decorated Diya is ready. I like this one the most. I love it. You are liking all these? Then comment below. I love these all. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If you don't want to miss my upcoming videos, then hit the bell button and comments below. How do you find this video? Then comments below. These look so amazing, gorgeous. I want to below. Which Diya or candle you like the most, and which Diya or candle decoration you are going to make in this Diwali? Do comments below. Those who have subscribed me, then welcome back. Those who have not subscribed me, then subscribe now. Subscribe me at Aishmin my channel. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and Instagram also. Bye bye. Take care and live your dreams.